Hello guys, this is Jane. Lalabs Badiday Jane pala. White in name. Ayan, tayo. Kakain tayo ng vegetable with pork. Looks so good. Yummy, yummy. Masarap. Napagod siya ang Meron siyang broccoli. Meron siyang carrots. Corn. Nasunog siya. May siya beans. May carrots. May onion. Kaso, pork ang laman nito. Pork chop. Oh my. Hayaan nyo ng background nyo guys kasi si Jidin ang ingay. Ayan, ang laki ng pork chop. Ayan. So, kakain tayo. Tayo ng pork chop. Laki naman ng pork chop. Oh my god. Ng pork chop. Vegetables. Carrots. Corn. Broccoli. Beans. Kailangan kumain tayo. Hindi lang tayo Hi, Miguel, shoutout pala ako sa Team Leader JK na always borders in the house. Thank you so much sa laging Marites. Kahit naghagok-hagok na yun sila at nag-contest, naghagok guys sa taas sa GC. Group chat, video call, anytime, anywhere. Walang walang sawaang video call. Yan, sino yung need ng kausap, need ng kanang kuan ba? Just join us. Just PM me and we'll add you on GC. Kaso patibayan ng loob. Bawal ang mahina ang loob doon kasi asaran ang doon. Kaso enjoy naman. Thank you for watching. Let's eat guys. Yummy. There we go. Thank you. This is Lalabs Badida. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and share. God bless all. Bye-bye.